need Mr. Owen to take this political thing very serious and a little bit more aggressive because he's coming up against a rough force that will never, and I say it, will never be willing to agree with policies that will make this government or the country, forget the government, this country better. They will always be like a fly in the ointment. So he's to be, I don't know how he's going to deal with it. I know he can anyway, but I can't recommend anyway how to have him to deal with it and to be more aggressive when they're accusing him of ills. I think that's what gave him this election. He was so calm in all the accusations. All the accusation he has withered this and has come through more or less the type of leader that the country needs.